Okay. I have an idea. You see, I have all the tires, all four tires on my car have slow leaks. That or someone's letting the air out overnight. I'm not sure. I've tried on a couple of them. I've pulled them off and I sprayed them down with soapy water. I cannot find these slow leaks. I even had one repaired and it still has a slow leak. So what I thought was, well, what if I can get something to put within the tire? I tried calling around to see if people would put tubes in these tires because as far as the tread is concerned, the tread is fine. The tires aren't weather checked. They're still perfectly good tires. They leak and it's a pain in the ass. I got to get up every day I get in the car. I got to check all the tires to make sure there's enough air in them to drive on. And it's getting to be, a bit of a pain. So I'm looking up this liquid tire sealant. And I don't know if you can see here, but one I think it's 32-ounce can. That's good for one tire. That's $54. And I need four of those. And with shipping, hang on, what's the shipping? To Canada, the shipping is $32. It's almost $100. A tire. Which makes no sense. Why would you do that? Ugh. So I looked into this deeply, and one of these advertisements actually spelled out one of the ingredients, ethylene glycol. And if I remember correctly, that's simply windshield washer fluid. You see, it doesn't freeze. You can get some minus 35, minus 40. It won't freeze. You can still spray it in your windshield. That means if you put it within a tire, it'll always be liquid, especially under pressure. And the added benefit to that is when you're driving, you're going at highway speeds, the liquid itself balances the tire, which is, again, an added bonus. So now I'm thinking, well, what if I just buy some windshield washer antifreeze and I put just a wee bit of dish soap detergent in the mix? And perhaps I'm going to start with coarse pepper flakes and hoping they don't dissolve within this mix. And put it inside of the tire. And then reinflate the tires and go for a drive. Make sure it's all mixed around really good. And hopefully that will fix the slow leaks internally. I'm going to test it on one tire. I've got an air compressor that I bought. It's in the trunk of the car. I can pull out the valve. I can inject the solution. I can reinflate the tire and take it for a ride. But we'll see. I'll give it a shot. It's been a while since I did any sort of experiment on my own. We'll see how this one turns out. If it works, hey, holy moly, Andy, maybe I can sell this stuff. But not at the prices these guys. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to give it a try. And if it works, I'm going to do it on all four tires. If they blow up, no big deal. I buy a new tire and rim. Hey, always be thinking.